Preparations for maintenance. Inverter communication LED abnormal. The inverter app cannot identify the dongle. The green indicator blinks slowly. What should I do? You can perform maintenance on the app and on site. On the app, update the inverter to the latest version. If the fault persists, go to the site to rectify it. Remove the dongle and observe the status of the communication indicator on the inverter. If the fault persists, replace the dongle with a new one. After the dongle is replaced, if the inverter communication indicator is still abnormal, replace the inverter with a new one. Good job! Well done!